Hey guys, it's me, THC, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and I've just been out in my semi-permaculture produce stand for my family, cleaning it up for the winter, as the winter solstice will be here on December 20th. And I figured, you know what? It's been a while since I've shown you this garden. This garden pretty much grows on its own. It's been growing even with all the construction and stuff we've got going on here. And when you do it right and you set it and forget it and you got all your nutrients and your worms and your microbes and all that stuff working in your no-till system, it kind of takes care of itself. I'm not here very often right now, and it's kind of on autopilot. What I've done today is I've actually cleaned up this bed over here, took out most of what was in it. There's still some little things growing underneath that straw, but I went ahead and cleaned it up. I took down some of the Romanescu and just chopped it right in there and laid some straw down, and that'll sit until, probably around January or February before I'll go ahead and plant that up. Over here, we have some winter crops going. Let me show you what's growing here in Southern California, Zone 10B in the winter time. Right here, finishing out, it will make a comeback and start to regenerate, but this is red Malabar spinach. We've got lots of berries to plant for next year, as that is the seed pod of the red Malabar spinach. So we'll go ahead and pull that out here pretty soon. I'll harvest the seed. I've got lots and lots and lots of red Malabar spinach seeds. So if anybody would like red Malabar spinach, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram, or you can send me an email, thcurbangardener@gmail.com. Over here in a pot is some basil I just had going, and it's just kind of doing its thing. It's left over from the old gnome headquarters, and I brought it over here, and I might plant it in the ground later, but it's got plenty of seed. I let everything kind of go to seed, as you guys know. Or maybe you don't know if you're new to the channel, is I'm a food forest, and I just let this stuff grow on its own. I do clean up some stuff and do some plantings, but for the most part, I just let things kind of fall where they may, as this bok choy over here. This is all self-seeded bok choy, and I've got some beautiful bok choy here that I actually need to harvest. So let me go ahead and grab this one right here. There you go. Check out that beautiful bok choy. All self-seeded bok choy. I think I have another one here I need to harvest. So let me go ahead and pull this one out. And as you see, I just let it crowd itself and be heavily populated. And this stuff grew great. There is no insecticides, pesticides. The only thing that kept these things bug-free were other bugs. Here we have my rocket Arugula, which in Southern California, Zone 10B, has to be grown in the winter or it does nothing but bolt. It's looking beautiful. It's a little overgrown right now, so I'll be harvesting a bunch of this stuff. And other than that, we just have some onions going, and that's about all that's growing right now, other than over here where I have some self-sown lettuce, and it's looking really beautiful. This nice self-sown gourmet lettuce over here. We got another bib lettuce over there, and then we have some self-sown crimson tomatoes starting to come up. So that's how I do it, guys, is I just let the stuff grow and let it self-sow. And if I want to plant a specific crop such as arugula, I'll clear it and I'll plant a little crop of that. And if I wanted to get a little more lettuce, I'd plant some lettuce seed. But for the most part, this is what I called the set it forget it garden, and I just let it self-sow and let it be a food forest. My mulberries are doing pretty good. Looks like they've got a little something going on the leaves, so we'll fix that up. Like I say, I haven't been tending to it too much, and there's been construction and paint and stuff like that, so the garden isn't super happy with that kind of stuff, but we'll get that all fixed up once the old urban empire here is finished. So with that, guys, thanks for coming out and seeing how the garden's doing. And we'll see you next time when we do our spring plantings. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.